Moin Leute and yay, hello friends of night. Oh, back again with another verdict nozzle model in this weathering video series. Is an white cap BN SD40-2 from Kato. This model, I say to Frank, don't rot it down, make it a little bit dirty and dusty. You do it. You see on the front a little bit rust, the couplers, and the white cap is dusty. You see the front is dusty. The B from Burlington also grooves on the top. The special story about this weathering is when I sent this model Frank and say to Frank, now make it a little bit dusty and dirty, and he make his brain explore, and he was a little bit angry. I don't like this model, and I say, Frank, do this on this side, and he swing his magic hands with the airbrush and sent me pictures, and I was very impressed of this type of weathering. You know, I like it rotted, but this is not so old SD40 in the BN Burlington Northern service, so I like it not rotted, so I like it dirty, dusty. Looks great. Here you see the fuel on the tank, the trucks. You know, in real on this model the trucks are black. Some dust on the cap here on the side. Also on the back, dirty and dusty. Little bit rust down there. Oh, I don't know where my back number boards actually was. The red light comes from the control LED from the Tsunami board. You know that. So now the other side. Also oil, fuel on the fuel tank. See some dust there. The white is also dusty. Looks nice. Dusty trucks with a little bit oil. Hey, sorry. Better. Okay friends, that's it. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.